Welcome to this charming craftsman-style bungalow located in Five Points, just minutes from downtown Huntsville.
Oh, I could feel the night slipping by, away from me.
This nearly new construction home blends historic character with modern design and convenience.
She said, oh, hi, nice to meet you too.
The kitchen features quartz countertops, a subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, including a chef-worthy gas range, and beautiful finishes throughout.
Let's play it on repeat. We can dance all night. We can dance till the morning light. Let's forget about our worries and the wild road out.
The owner's suite is conveniently located on the first floor and includes a walk-in closet and a stunning ensuite bath with designer tile finishes.
We can dance all night. She took my
Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, and a spacious loft area ideal for a media room or flex space. Outside, enjoy a fenced backyard designed for low-maintenance living with pet-friendly turf, a built-in fire pit, and a pergola, creating a private retreat for relaxing or entertaining, or use the pergola as a carport.
from me. And oh,
Ideally located near downtown Huntsville, the hospital, I-565, restaurants, shopping, and Montesano State Park, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and location. Live, work, and play in this fabulous home. Don't miss this 5-point showstopper.
together then, let's play it on repeat. We can dance all night. We can dance till the morning